Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Dogelon Mars. As in my earlier videos, I've been showing you that Dogelon Mars has broken out a very big falling wedge pattern. And after the breakout, we had a nice short pump, but the pricing got rejected by this long-term resistance of 0.0000 and $0042, 6 times zeros. And you can see that now it has formed another smaller falling wedge pattern. But while moving inside this wedge, it has broken down this very long-term uptrend line support. You can see that this uptrend line support was working as a nice support here, and we had another bounce here, and now it can work as a strong resistance. In fact, it is working as a strong resistance. You can see that we got rejection here. Let me just show you on a daily time frame chart. Then you can see that we got rejection here, and now it is again trying to break it out. At the same time, it is also trying to break out this smaller falling wedge pattern. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like there's the trade setup of flow key, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal. For example, in this case, I shared this signal on 20th of May 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well, like this was the buying zone and sell targets on and stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and reached the sell target zone. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of Elon, Dogelon Mars. And here you can see that, first of all, let me to show you the weekly. And here you can see that we have already broken out this big wedge, but the pricing got rejected by this resistance of 4.2 and got stuck inside in another falling wedge pattern. And now it is trying to break out the resistance of the wedge. At the same time, it is also trying to break out this uptrend line resistance that was previously working as a support for the past several months. And now it is flipped into a resistance. We got rejection here after the breakout the price and retested the previous support as a resistance and rejected and bounced very well from the support of the wedge here. And now it is again trying to break out this crisscross of the resistance levels. One is the resistance of a falling wedge pattern, and the next one is this resistance, this uptrend line support that is now working as a resistance. Now, if the price breaks out the resistance of this wedge, then there will be a very strong resistance zone that we will still need to break out in order to continue this rally to the upside. And that resistance zone starts from 2205 and goes to 2500. That had been previously working as a very strong support zone here, support zone here, support zone here. And after the breakdown, you can see that it has been working as a resistance here for several weeks. And now, again, it is working as a resistance. We got rejection here. And again, it can work as a strong resistance. By the way, the technical target for the breakout from this wedge pattern is here after the breakout. That will be approximately at 4214. And now if we take a look at the final target for this breakout from this big falling wedge pattern, that move is, by the way, still due. And that can be here at the top of the wedge, approximately at point 0000 and $0.2276. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.